That is very important to do this process to adapt your stuff to your own set, to your own style. All right. So you don't stick to other edits that you download from the internet or the tracks, like you make your own. That's why I think it's a very important part of your career and in your sets. All right. So let's dig a little bit into the process here. What I've done, as you guys can see, there's a little bit of a production going on, and I'm adding effects, I'm adding certain claps, I'm automating the tempo over here. So there is a little bit of a process so you guys can see that you can get more creative than the usual thing that can be just an instrumental track and plays a vocal on top. The reason why I'm using this track, I'm using this as an intro to mix it in. I'm using a 128 BPM in the beginning plus the intro track, all right? And then right on this bar over here, I'm introducing the vocal part, all right? We're lost in the unknown.